Maxi Del Rosario, 21 years old. I'm currently taking a Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management at PATS College of Aeronautics. And actually, I joined IFER because, to be honest, I want to be the first ever ambassadors of Aurora products. And Doy!
Yun!
Day na, nagulantang ako dahil sa sinabi niya, Day.
Minsan talaga nagtataka na ako, may sarili kang mundo dyan.
Day, ano kasi, pag na-amaze, pag na-amaze ako, ganun ako, Day. Sige na nga.
Siyempre, before ako sumali dito sa Miss Aurora, siyempre inalam ko muna yung business. Then, yung diniscuss sa akin nung apply ko yung business, I fell in love with the business. Bakit? Kasi makakapag-spread na tayo ng good health, nabibigyan pa tayo ng business opportunity.